Hi, Vanessa here, your business growth mentor with the answers to your questions about growing your small business. I wonder how you would answer the following question. What do you think is the reason a business exists? You know, I ask this question a lot when I'm speaking, when I'm at conferences, and I always get so many different answers to that question. And I think a lot of people get this really muddled up and confused in their own minds. They'll start to say things, well, it's about freedom, it's about flexibility, it's about living life on my terms, right? They actually internalize the why they think a business exists for them. And yes, those are all good things, but let's boil it down to the two very simple reasons a business exists. Because when you can focus on these two core reasons that your business exists, you're going to get greater focus and direction in what you're doing in your business. So the very first reason a business exists is to add value. It's simply that, to add value to others. What does that really mean in practice? Well, it means your business and your services must be fulfilling a need that exists, a real need, solving a problem for other people or helping other people achieve a goal. That's how we add value to others. And if your business doesn't do something like that and you've been struggling to get clients, you may have to look at, wow, am I really serving a need here that real people need? Am I helping others achieve a goal, or am I solving a problem? Because if not, you're going to have to think again. But that is how we add value. Now, here's the place that a lot of business owners get this really complicated, because they start to get it mixed up with their own sense of value, their own self-worth and their own self-esteem. And perhaps they're not feeling very confident or not feeling very valuable. And now all of a sudden they overcomplicate their business. They start to go off on crazy tangents and question their own abilities and start to build a business that feels very complex and difficult and demanding when it could be a lot simpler. Because here's one of the secrets. Those gifts that you have, right, your natural gifts and talents and the expertise that you've built up over the years probably comes fairly easily to you. It's probably that thing that honestly, if you could do all day long, even if you weren't paid, it brings you a lot of joy, a lot of pleasure. You know, you would do it for free. Now, I'm not recommending that you do that for free. However, truth is you probably would, right? So it comes easily to you. And here's the catch. When we have things that come easily to us, we tend to undervalue them. We take them for granted. We've forgotten the years that it's taken to build up that level of expertise, right? Perhaps we've forgotten that these really are our natural divine gifts that we're supposed to bring out into the world and that other people will truly value. Right? So I want you to think about that. Where are you making this overcomplicated and undervaluing your natural talents and the expertise that you've built up? And then you're probably not charging for it appropriately. You're probably, discounting your fees, giving away too much for free, or even trying to overcomplicate your business. Right? The second reason your business exists is to create a profit. Yes, it is about making money. Otherwise, you're not going to be in business for long, right? If you're not making money in your business, you probably should have registered it as a non-profit. Honestly, a business is there to make a profit. And again, why is that important? Well, first and foremost, if you're not bringing money into your business and you're not actually creating an excess, which would be profit, there's going to come a point where you're going to be struggling. You're not going to be able to pay your bills. You're not going to be able to invest back in your business. You're probably not paying yourself appropriately. You're not going to be able to bring on team members, or you are not going to be able to retain team members, right? The minute you can't do those things, or you're not keeping your own financial commitments because you're struggling in business financially, you're no longer adding value, right? You're now taking away value from somebody else, from another organization when you can't follow through, and now that whole economy starts to break down. So there's two reasons that your business, exists. First and foremost, it's to add value, and secondly, it's to make a profit. I wonder how you'd be approaching your business differently if you really kept those two key aspects top of mind. So if you like this video tip today, please like, comment, and share, and I look forward to speaking with you again soon.